Buhay Lakwatsa.
Hello mga kalakwatsa! If you are looking for the perfect getaway, ngayon pong weekend, well, nasa tamang panonood po kayo dahil mag-check-in tayo sa isang hotel na sigurado magbibigay sa atin ng comfort at relaxation ngayong weekend. Tara! Ayan, papasok na ako. Hi! Hello mo! Yeah!
Welcome to Holiday Inn and Suites, Batangas, Lima Park.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Nice
good
to
to
meet
have
you
you
po.
here.
I'm Aida.
Yes, it's nice to meet you.
Hello, sir. Thank you. Oo, thank you, ma'am. Okay, sige po. Okay. So, wow. Oo, mukhang your hotel is very elegant. And mukhang marirelax talaga ang isang mag-check-in dito.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Sige po. So, lilibutin namin to. Samahan ako ni Ma'am Abigail. Tara. So, oras na para makipagkwentuhan muna tayo sa mga nagagandahang dilag katulad ko na dito mismo sa loob ng Holiday Inn Suites, Batangas, Lima Park. Yan. Katabi natin ngayon si Ma'am Abigail Nicolas. Siya yung Director for Sales and Marketing.
Yes.
Oo, and si Miss EJ naman, Salazar, ng Sales and Marketing din. Okay, tama ba?
Marketing,
communication.
Ayan.
Communication specialist.
Marketing Communication Specialist.
Specialist po.
Hello sa inyong dalawa.
Hello.
Hello,
Oo,
ma'am.
Kamusta? How's your day?
It's so good. Actually, as you can see naman, very refreshing ang air dito sa Batangas.
Oo
So,
nga.
that's why we're always
Yes po.
happy and delighted to be working every day here at the property.
Yes.
Busy day, hindi naman masyado.
It's a busy day. It's a Sunday, but it's a busy day for us because marami tayong events that are happening right now.
Oo, pero sa oras na to, magchikahan muna tayo.
Yes.
So, Ma'am Abigail, yeah. Ma'am EJ, kwentuhan niyo muna ako, history ng Holiday Inn and Suites, no? So, kailan pa itinayo ito dito sa Batangas, Lima Park?
Actually, for Holiday Inn and Suites Batangas Lima Park, nag-convert lang kami last July 1, 2024. So, less than a year pa lang siya. But the property itself is under Lima Park Hotel for about more than 15 years,
Yes,
or about
15
15 years already. And then, I joined the company. The company last year lang. Exactly about a year ago. And then we converted the property as Holiday Inn under Intercontinental Hotels Group with the brand of Holiday Inn and Suites.
Well, nakaka-proud, no? Kasi ako ay Batangueña. And first time ko nakarating last year dito sa Lima Park. And nagulat ako na meron nga nitong Holiday Inn and Suites. So sabi ko, it's an international brand. So, syempre, first time ako nakarinig sa Batangas. So, kaya, sabi ko, kailangan mapuntahan ko yon. And now, I'm here, ano? So, matagal na pala siya dito. And, kumusta naman ang pagtanggap ng mga Batanggenyo sa Holiday Inn and Suites sa hotel?
Actually, for Batangueños, I think they're very, in terms of, diba, yung when we met with yung mga local tourism officers,
Yes.
they were very happy to promote because we're the first international hotel here in the area. And many of our balikbayans and even yung mga local locals, they're very excited to do staycations here at the property. As you can see, di ba, it's different when you go to an urban setting. So, nakaka-relax yung area natin. And sprawling yung rooms natin. But soon, we will also have another building nga. So, you ask how are the Batangueños accepting it. So, the fact that we're planning to build another building, it's a proof na
Tinatangki.
Yes,
Tinatangkilik.
tinatangkilik tayo ng
Yes.
mga Batanggenyos. And not only Batanggenyos, yung mga lumipat na rin or nag-abroad na, they want to stay here in the property.
And aside from locals na nag-check-in dito, meron bang iba pang mga bisita kayong natatanggap sa hotel?
Actually, yes. Surprisingly, mga about 60% ng visitors natin are corporate account partners natin. And then about mga 25% are going to Batangas, particularly here in Holiday Inn, to do their meetings and events conferences. So right now, about 15% pa lang yung nagsastaycation, but it's okay. We're promoting, again, the reason why we're promoting tourism is because we want to encourage people to do their staycations and leisure stays here with us.
I see. So ano usually ang ino-offer sa hotel? Maraming, ano-ano yung mga amenities na pwede nilang ma-avail?
Do you want to,
Yeah.
Oo,
For the
this is
amenities,
it.
So for the amenities, so we have rooms, 134 rooms here in the property. And aside from that, we also have a lot of function spaces. So one of it is a grand ballroom, so that can accommodate up
up
to
to 700
700
persons. That's
Yeah.
why the big conferences are being held here kasi kaya namin mag-accommodate. So all in all, about 11 function spaces. And you ask what to do. So
Yeah.
one of the things na very proud kami is we're a patron of the arts and culture. So yung owners namin actually published a book, yung Bintana book. So it showcases 149 Batanggenyo artists. The reason why I'm saying this because on April 12,
Yes.
across Holiday in Batangas Lima Park, there's what we call the showroom. We will be the gallery. Yes, we will be showcasing some of the works of this artists. So
Well,
that's the one thing that you can do when you visit us.
Ayun,
Yes.
that's nice to know, no? Kasi ibig sabihin, parang pagpunta mo ngayon dito sa Holiday Inn and Suites, no? Hindi ka lang makakalanghap ng sariwang
Yes.
hangin, makaka-experience ng ganito, relaxation, and ma-inform ka pa, ma-educate ka pa nung, anong sabi niyo, anong laman ng book? 125?
149
49
Batanggenyo visual artists.
Diba, ma-educate ka pa ngayon ng
Yes.
kung sino-sino yung mga artist na yun. And
Yes.
parang, pagpunta mo dito, para ka rin nag-educational tour.
Yes, yes. Kasi supporter talaga yung chairman namin sa not only education, arts, culture, and yung tourism. Na
Dito
ng
sa
Batangas. Yes.
mapopromote doon. Well, nakakatuwa naman. And sa loob pa, balik tayo doon sa loob ng hotel. Ano-ano pa yung mga amenities? You have pool?
We have
Yes.
swimming
and then-
pool. It's kumbaga,
We call it
can
the
cater-
Horizon
We call it Horizon Swimming Pool. And
Yeah.
paggabi, the best time to take a dip is during the evening kasi yung
May lights
lights
siya.
niya are mesmerizing. And then normally, which later we will show you, we recommend yung suite room natin because
Yes.
we have standard rooms and suite rooms. And the suite room is directly, has access to the swimming,
swimming
pool. And
pool.
then we have here, sino
Our
ba naman ang
center.
hindi, di ba, gaganahang mag-exercise. Our gym is actually facing the Horizon,
The Horizon
Swimming Pool.
Correct. Hindi boring mag-exercise.
Yes.
I see. So you have different rooms.
Yes.
So may regular. and then
Standard
may mga
room,
oo,
may
standard.
suite room po tayo, yun yung may kitchenette. And then we have one na parang presidential suite but we call it two-bedroom suite, which we will be showing later din po.
Kamusta naman ang power supply, internet? Walang problema.
Wala
Alam mo naman
pong
kasi
problema.
minsan, may mga kababayan din tayo nag-staycation. O galing na ng busy na city, pero pagpunta pa rin ng probinsya, parang
Gusto
ayaw
pa rin
nila
na
ng,
stay in
walang
touch.
internet.
Yes.
So wala namang problem.
No,
Wala
that's
naman.
one of the things na, of course, with the Holiday Inn brand, one of the things that we have to focus on is yung connectivity.
Yes.
So, yun yung isa sa mga in-improve talaga po natin. So, right now, as I've said, sa function rooms natin, we can cater to 750 persons, but we don't experience issues if they connect to their laptop individually during the sessions or during the conferences.
And then Miss Abigail, how about yung manpower? So definitely may employment din na nabigay
Yes.
itong si Holiday Inn and Suites, no?
Yes.
More or less, how many employees do you have
Currently,
right
we
now?
have about 100 20 persons.
Wow, ang dami nun, ah.
Under Holiday Inn, because we have a lot, as EJ mentioned, we have many function spaces, and isa talaga to sa bumubuhay sa property. So we do have lots of people, maybe not in front, yung mga F&B side, food and beverage side.
So sa tingin nyo, ma'am, yung pagkakaroon ng Holiday Inn and Suites dito sa Batangas, Lima Park, ano yung nadulot niya as a whole sa development ng area?
I believe in terms of the development, like I've mentioned when we visited the tourism officers, they were very proud na meron tayong Holiday Inn, meron tayong first international hotel in this area. And the fact that we're going to build another building, hopefully in 2 years' time, it will be available na to the public. So this will create more business opportunities also for the locals, employment opportunities for the locals.
And kapag may mga special occasions, may mga activities ba kayong ginagawa para sa inyong mga guests dito sa hotel?
For special occasions, actually, something that we're very proud of noong December 31,
Yeah.
no?
So
You want to share?
yes, I can share it. So we're very proud of it. So last December 31, in line with the New Year celebration, so we've had a flashback to the future. So it is a New Year's countdown. So we're planning to do it regularly na po. So next year or this year. So we're planning to do
we
it
had-
again.
So something different siguro.
Yes.
We had a DJ night
Yes.
here in this area, and then we didn't expect that the Batangueños would be very supportive
Yes.
sa gatong activity, because we thought it will be like baka
Parang
maging late,
tapusan.
baka laid back lang, but
Ayun na.
we were surprised kasi lahat ng tao dito, even dun sa isang function room namin na puno,
Yes.
and we had fireworks, and everybody was game during the DJ night. Everybody was dancing. Hindi lang yung mga kaedad nila, pati yung kaedad ko as mga lola.
At yung mas mataas pa.
At ang number one na dancer namin, yung isang family doon, headed by yung father talaga nila, very
Yes.
sila.
Talaga. Okay. So, in the next few years, nabanggit mo na Miss Abigail kanina, may gallery soon to open, and then merong darating, itatayo na another
Bagong building.
So, what else? Meron pa bang in store para sa mga susunod na to?
There is, but currently siguro, we'll save it on the next interview. Baka I'm not allowed to, But there are other plans, exciting plans. Again, the chairman is very supportive and is a patron. I think he's not from Batangas, but he's like a Batangueño already. So,
Parang
like-
iniwan niya na yung puso niya rito.
yes.
So, okay. So, invite niyo po yung ating mga, well, hindi, sabi niyo nga, ang napansin niyo dito, hindi naman lang mga locals ng Batangas ang stay, no? Marami ding iba, mga kalapit. Kasi nga, it's an international brand. So, syempre, kakaiba rin ang dating. And then, so, invite niyo po. And paano pala sila din pwede bang walk-in lang or kailangan mag-early booking? What else? So,
Well,
invite
with-
our viewers.
Hello, so we'd like to invite you to visit our property, Holiday Inn and Suites Batangas, Lima Park. So from Makati, it's only 1 hour and a half. No traffic, 1 hour, 15 minutes. You can arrive here at our property. So via booking, we suggest that you book
On our
early
website.
on our website, on our brand website.
On our brand website, which is Holiday Inn and Suites, Batangas Lima Park. We also have our official Facebook page, Holiday with the same name, Holiday Inn and Suites Batangas Lima Park, and Instagram as well.
So we suggest you book early so that you can get discounts then.
Ayun po, so mga mga kabayan, check-in na sa Holiday Inn and Suites dito po sa Batangas, Lima Park. Napakinggan po natin sabi ko nga sa inyo, pagpasok ko pa lang, ramdam ko na yung pagiging courteous ng staff,
Yes.
very hospitable, oo, and lalo pang pinatunayan ng mga kaharap ko ngayon na Kasing ganda ko. Mga ladies, si Miss Abigail Nicolas, ang Director ng Sales and Marketing, si Miss EJ Salazar, ang Marketing and Communication Specialist. O, nalaman natin sa kanila yung maraming bagay tungkol sa Holiday Inn and Suites. Okay, until then, bye-bye. So, tutur na tayo ni Ma'am Abigail at saka ni Miss EJ sa isa sa kanilang rooms, no?
Yes.
Oh, ito yung room na...
This is our biggest room, which is a 2-bedroom suite.
Okay.
So usually, this is being taken by guests na mga VIPs or pwede rin namang families or yung mga barkada.
Sige nga, tingnan natin yan. Oo, tingnan natin kung gaano ka relaxing. Ang kanilang rooms, gaano nakaka-addict mag-stay. Yan, so, wow! Okay, so,
So,
ano po yun?
as mentioned, ito yung pinakamalaki nating room.
Okay.
It has a living room, dining area. Ang maganda sa kanya, you have a view of the swimming pool.
Yes.
So, di ba, masarap magkape. As you know, Batangas is known for Barako coffee. Ayun.
Ito yung pool view.
So, yan. And then, yung master's bedroom natin, nandito. So, we have a kitchenette also pala. And then, the master's bedroom. So, it's fit for a family of 4. So, dito sa room na to. So, it has 2 queen-size beds. And you have your own bathroom with its own jacuzzi.
Wow.
And then, yung second room natin, so with queen-size bed and a bathtub. So, separate bathroom.
Separate ito.
Yes.
Adjacent siya.
Mm-mm.
Separate pa rin.
So, in total, 6 persons can accommodate this 2-bedroom suite.
So, pwede siyang pang pamilya.
Yes.
Family, yes.
Pamilya, oo. And then, usually naman, wala namang limit kung for how long sila pwede magstay.
No, you can
Oo,
stay
wala.
for a month if you want. We would love that, but
Ayan, and then, yan, well-equipped naman, no? Merong
Yes.
phone, ganyan.
Yes.
And then, may, of course, may internet.
Yes.
Meron sila.
you have your own television here. Meron din po doon sa
And
other
then,
room.
sa labas yan, fresh view pa rin ang iyong makikita.
Actually, what's good about our rooms naman kasi lahat ng windows, kahit saan ka tumingin,
Nature.
it's
Nature
yes,
yung
nature
makikita.
yung paligid natin.
Yeah, hindi
Yun.
yung
Hindi
another
building. So, this is our suite room. It's 42 square meters. Meron siyang, tara, pasok tayo.
Okay.
So, meron siyang kitchenette. And of course, yung bedroom natin. You have 2 queen-size beds, kaya fit for a family din. So, marami actually sa guests natin, ito yung preferred room. And to be honest, ma'am, ito ang favorite room ko. Alam na lahat ng buong hotel yan. Yan. And if you will ask why, EJ, bakit ito ang favorite ko?
Kasi ito yung pinakamaganda.
Pinakamaganda for me. Maganda lahat. Pinakamaganda for me because I like water. And ito, may access siya
Sa
sa
swimming pool.
swimming pool.
Okay. Sige nga. labas
Halik
na
kayo.
tayo.
Tignan natin.
Oo. So, parang hindi ka na mag-aalala
Yes.
ng matagal.
Oh, ito na siya.
Yes.
So,
Paano ba nag-ooperate yung swimming pool? Anong, bukas ba siya?
okay.
24 hours?
Bukas po siya from 6 a.m. until 9 p.m. Pero for me personally, favorite time to dip sa pool natin is around 7 p.m. because may lights po tayo dito. So very mesmerizing siya. And usually yun po ang spot ko. Yun. I would sit there, have my iced coffee or shake, gabi na, so dapat shake na. Pero,
Ano kalalim ba ito, ma'am?
this one is
Nasa 5 feet
5 feet po. Pero yung mga kids naman, do you love swimming po ba?
No.
Ako, I don't swim. Like I said, umuupo lang po tayo doon. I don't swim. So doon, yes. So doon po ako sa kiddie pool. Kaya doon ang upuan ko.
Kiddie pool naman po is nasa 3 to 4 feet po siya.
So, earlier this morning, actually, there were many kids here kasi talagang every weekends, yung mga staycationers natin with their families from Manila, even the locals, they go here po sa Holiday Inn and Suites Batangas, Lima Park.
So ano talaga siya? Perfect talaga siya na staycation ng family.
Yes.
Yes,
Kaya
ma'am.
simple overnight lang, ano?
Oo, kasi ang lapit niya from Manila, ma'am eh.
Yes,
diba?
yes. And yun mismo, kahit mismo dito sa loob ng Batangas, parang gusto mo nang maiba yung weekend mo, lipad ka lang dito.
Oo, ang bilis lang.
Very accessible naman po.
Oo. And for those din na mahilig mag-shopping, 3 minutes walk lang, nandun na tayo sa the outlets at Lipa. So, narinig niyo na ba yun, ma'am?
Yeah, oo. Galing na, Yan yung mga signature brands.
Oo. So,
Nandun
kainan,
din.
shopping.
So malapit lang
So,
ito doon.
yes, 3 minutes by walk lang po. Nandun na tayo. Here. Sa harap lang.
I see. So, ayun pala, kailangan, pag check-in dito, kailangan marami ka rin pang shopping.
Yes. Oo.
So, ano pa pupuntahan natin? Natatanaw ko yung ano,
okay.
fitness room.
Ating
ano?
fitness
Fitness
center.
center namin.
Center, oo.
Yung fitness center natin, actually, it's facing the swimming pool. So, yung mga guests natin, ginaganahan, kumbaga, mag-exercise. Even me, pag nakastay ako dito, I don't use the gym, pero pag nandito ako, it's a must. Kasi you won't feel yung pagod eh, if you do your treadmill here. So,
Tsaka ang ganda ng connect niya, galing ng pool.
Tapos ito na yung gym.
gym, then labas ka sa pool.
Oh, yes.
Open natin, EJ.
Okay.
Careful lang po.
Ma'am, lahat ng guests can avail this,
Yes, once you're an in-house guest po, you can use this one, the fitness center. Open naman po siya from 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
until
10 p.m.
10 p.m.
So, hindi kayo madideprive ng inyong fitness.
Yes. After eating dun ng bulalo, lomi, what else ba sa Batangas? Ng suman. And we have here also turon kodlatik na yun yung lagi kong pinopromote. We have here sa restaurant namin. After nun, you won't feel guilty. You can use the treadmill. Yes.
Yes.
And then pagkatapos
Then you can go swimming.
Ayan. Di ba? Sino pa ang hindi marerelax sa ganyang klase ng amenities, di ba? Siguradong enjoy.
Yes.
Para po sa ating How to View segment, ngayong summer, ano yung hinahanap nyo pong bago sa isang hotel na amenities at activities?
Ganito? Well, pwedeng ganito, katulad ng na-experience ko dito sa Holiday Inn and Suites, no? Sa Batangas, Lima Park. Biased no? Pero hindi nga, kasi ano siya, tama lang yung size niya and then perfect, kagaya nung kanina nakita natin doon na yung merong room na dikit lang doon sa sa pool, tapos may gym, tapos ang daming restaurant sa loob and yun pa, habang nag-staycation ka, andyan din yung nature sa paligid mo. Pwede kang mag-sightseeing sa iba-ibang mga beautiful sceneries. Kaya, ayun, pwede niyo rin po subukan, di ba? Why not? Di ba? Choknat. Kasama natin sa bawat lakwatsa ang Immune Advance at ang Flavon Pro, mga produkto ng Rich Corp. Bye! Kaya kung naghahanap po kayo ng isang perfect na relaxing staycation spot, check out na dito po sa Holiday Inn and Suites sa Batangas, Lima Park dahil sigurado ma-enjoy nyo po ang inyong weekend. As always, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like Buhay Lakwatsa dahil syempre hindi namin tatantanan ang pagbibigay sa inyo ng idea ng mga destination na pwede nyo pong mapuntahan. Kaya hanggang sa susunod, mga kalakwatsa, palagi natin sinasabi, there's a lot more to see. Love the Philippines. Ako po si Aida Gonzalez. Bye!